Today we'll be talking about molecular cloning and transgenic technology. Did you know that we can take a gene from this little guy, a dog, and put it into a bacteria to make millions of copies? Let me show you how. Molecular cloning is basically the copy and paste of DNA. To clone this dog, we'll take its genes, imagine it's this paper, it's DNA, its gene, and then the restricted enzyme will cut it. Then insert the gene they want into a plasmid and put it into bacteria. The bacteria then multiplies and makes millions of copies of that gene. Now that we've cloned our dog, just kidding, we cloned his gene, we will now move into talking about functional genomics. First, we'll discuss the transcriptome, which it tells us which genes are turned on, and we can use tools like the microarray to help us figure that out. Next, we'll talk about the proteasome, which shows all the proteins a cell will make. Techniques like the SDS phage help us separate and identify them. Together, the transcriptome and proteome analysis tell us which genes matter, when they're active, and how they interact. Okay, let's talk about transgenic technology, which is when we insert a gene into an organism so it gets a new trait. For example, we could give my dog a gene that makes his fur glow in the dark. Like this. I will now discuss CRISPR in a very out-of-the-box example. This leash is the guide RNA. This dog is Cas9. The rope is DNA and the flag is the PAM site. The guide RNA directs the Cas9 to the correct spot. Cas9 scans the DNA for the target sequence. Cas9 only cuts next to the sequence, seen here, then makes the cut. After the cut, the cell repairs the DNA. This allows scientists to knock out a gene and add a new sequence. Okay, in conclusion, this is all very important in the future of science. Molecular cloning gives us the DNA. Functional genomics helps us understand it. And genome editing, especially CRISPR, lets us rewrite it. Together, all of these technologies are going to help in our scientific advancements in the future. It's going to help in medicine, agriculture, and then the revival of species, and even bringing back old species, extinct ones like mammoths. So it's just a really cool thing. The end.